Dun dun da da ba da ba da da ba da ba 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 bum ba-dum. That's right, everybody. Hello and welcome back. We are here for another drum lessons with Mr. Rickman. Lovely lesson for you today on a really useful tool to have in your drumming toolbox. On my board, I have 3 drum beats, and they're all the same size and they're all the same speed, but we can use the different ones to make our music feel like it has sped up or feel like it has slowed down. I'll play you them first of all, then we'll talk a bit about them. We've got normal 8-beat, right side ting, both hands ting, and then we have a version with fewer basses and snares, and then a version with more basses and snares. Right, top one first. Let's get this going. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Second one down. Back to the top one. Now the bottom one. Alright, there you go. So, as I was playing those 3 examples there, the normal one just feels normal. Heard that a million times. For the second one, which we're going to call a half-time feel, we are not putting a bass drum and a snare drum on every beat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We are just putting, well, we're putting half that amount in. The whole first 2 beats go by with just 1 bass drum, and the whole second 2 beats go by with just 1 snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4 drums per bar, 1, 2 drums per bar. And then, when I went to the bottom one, you heard me double the rate of basses and snares. So instead of going 1 and 2 and, we got 1 and 2 and. It's the same speed, we're just making the rate of basses and snares double or half, which can make it feel like the music has gone to half speed or it's gone to double speed, but actually it's just the same. We are suggesting the change with how many drums we're putting in. So, tap along with me and let's try to mix these together again. We will do number 1 for a while, number 2 for a while, then back to number 1 just to feel normal again, and then to number 3. As always, we'll do this at a few different speeds. This will sound better faster, so if you need to practice, then practice, because the speed is what makes this great. Here comes a slower speed. Right, let's get the song on. 2, 3, top one. Middle one. Top one again. Bottom one. Nice. That was all at 80 beats per minute. Which I suppose, because we are making it feel half and then we're making it feel double. We started at 80, but we will have touched on feeling like 40 beats per minute and also feeling like 160 beats per minute, even though the whole thing stayed at 80. Now the whole thing one more time at, let's go up to a nice even 100 beats per minute. Same thing again. A bunch of the top one, then a bunch of the middle one, back to the top, and then double time to finish. Normal, 2, 3, go! Middle one. Top one again. Bottom one. Very cool. That was 100, although we would have made it feel like 50 and 200. Okay, let's jet up to 120. This is a little bit advanced, but these things don't take a lot of practice to build up that much speed. Right, 120, same thing. Top one, normal, go. Middle one. Back to normal. Bottom one. Yeah, cool. And then, right, if that's not fast enough for you, I'll put on a super duper duper challenge and we'll go to 150 for this, which will sound crazy fast. But if you want that much challenge, here it is. Normal, go. Middle one. Normal. Bottom one. Right, so there's the three speeds, 80, 100, 4 speeds, pardon me, 80, 100, 120, 150, crazy speed. So please go back to the slower speeds to practice them if you need, as always. We'll do one more clever thing before we finish this, okay? One more clever thing. As with all rock beats, we can develop these a little bit. So in my normal one, I'm going to add a very, very standard extra bass drum in this location here. Boot, cat, boot, boot, cat. In the halftime one, I'm going to add dun, 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 an extra bass drum just before the one snare drum. Boot, t, boot, cat, t, t, boot, t, boot, cat. T, t. Now, the bottom one's already pretty full of business. But, just for the sake of being fun, let's add an extra bass drum in the middle of this one and in the middle of the last one. So our rhythm has turned into coffee, lemonade, coffee, lemonade, coffee, lemonade, coffee, lemonade. So first of all, I shall play those for you and then we'll try and integrate it with the music. Right, number one will go like this. Number 2, the half-time one, will now go like this. 2, 3, 4. And number 3 will now go like this. Right. If you are suffering at all in the bottom one, it's probably because of this. This middle bass drum we've added, it doesn't come with a right hand, doesn't come with a cymbal. So that lemonade is like right side, just the bass, both hands. If you need to practice that, do it before you want to continue. Right side, just the bass, both hands. Right side, just the bass, both hands. Which is difficult for a foot to be able to do, but we're getting better, we're getting stronger, that's the whole point. I'm not doing this at 150, you can forget about that. I shall do this at... I'll go through the same speeds. Here's 80 again. So, same as before, top one, middle one, top one, bottom one. But with the added drums. Right, good luck everyone. Top one, 1 and 2 and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle one. Top one again. One. All right, that was 80. Next, same exact thing at 100. Top one, here we go. Middle one. Top one. Bottom one. Cool. Then a quick try of the same at 120 beats per minute with the extras. 1, 2, top one, go. Middle one. Top one. Bottom one. Yikes. Okay, now that we've come this far, we will try the 150, I suppose. As always, don't worry if you can't keep up with the faster ones that I'm doing. I'm only putting them in there in case anyone is super advanced and wants to push themselves that far. Of course, you can watch the video again and see which speed you can keep up with. rewind it and do it a few times, and then after a bit try the faster ones. Anyway, here's the last thing I'm going to play. I might need to sleep after this. Here's 150 with all the extras in Wish Me Luck. Doot, cat, boom, boom, cat. Right, good luck everybody. 1, 2, 1, 2, top one, go. Middle one. Top one. Bottom one. Enough fast rock and roll music. Right. Thank you very much for watching. That is how to play and understand switching from normal time to half time, feel, to double time. Technically, all at the same speed, just altering the rate of basses and snares to create the impression of a slower, moody section or a faster, more jumpy, exciting section. Okay, thank you very much for watching. The end. Bye.